Hello and welcome to 2018 of my vlog diary. I'm going to keep posting regular updates this year so that you can see how I'm getting on, give me tips, advice, and also wherever I can I'll give some tips also. Please enjoy. I'll let you have a look around my allotment and see what it looks like now. It's not looking very good at the moment, but a big year ahead and I'm going to do this. As you can see, I've got a plum tree, well established. Down this side I've got autumn growing raspberries. They'll need cutting back, ready for this year. They seem to do well each year. This is my brownlet apple tree. I do really well on this. Last year I didn't do too well. I chopped it back a bit too much, but I'm going to leave it this year and just let it grow and see how it gets on. This bit I did a couple of years ago. I black membraned it all, and in between all the black membrane I've got rhubarb plants. I've got about 11 rhubarb plants. They did fantastic this year. Quite newish trees, apple trees and pear tree down this side. This bit is my caged area. As you can see, the wind has took hold of it this year. Not very good. But it did its job. It kept the birds out and the animals, and everything grew really, really well. I won't go in it, as you can see. It's a bit of a death trap. Down this side, I've got my strawberry plants. They did fantastic. They all seemed to grow while I was on holiday though. My sister pinched them all. She enjoyed them all. I've got raised beds all the way down so that it's designated areas so that I know where I'm growing. And this is my polytunnel. I've had this up about 10 years now. Same skin, it's lasted well, which I'm surprised at. Each year I keep thinking, well, I need to replace it, but no. In here I have all my old tomato plants which I need to cut down and clear out. I grew cucumber plants all down the sides. I had these new water bags last year which really well did help. Just dripping every so often so that I wouldn't have to keep watering them all the time. They did the job very well. This is my little shed which I call my shanty shed. I built this about 3 years ago. This has withstanded quite well. As you can see, it's got took over by the weeds quite a bit, and it needs a good clear out. It's also my dumping ground where I just dump everything, but I'll have all that cleared out ready for growing all my spring seeds in this year. It does get really warm in the summer with all the plastic. Money well spent. And down this side is where I grew my runner beans last year, again inside a frame, but the winds took hold of it and I've got to try and improve it this year, get it back to full scratch, which I should be able to do. I've got a few months to get it ready, because for my frame I don't really need the netting back up until April, so I'm going to get all that down. And yeah, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for regular updates, and you'll be able to see me planting my plants as I go on through the year, picking my fruit and enjoying everything. I get a lot from gardening, as well as it's good for my mental health. I do struggle with anxiety a bit and depression, and I just love to get down here and enjoy it. Back to nature. Yeah, subscribe on the button below and look forward to next week's video. See how I'm progressing.